So get hype. Get hype.
The only person that got every trade right was Bernie Madoff.
The only person that got every trade right was Bernie Madoff.
What it do? Hey, look though, right? Shout out to all the investors out there. Shout out to all the traders. It's a beautiful time, baby. It's a beautiful time. Let me tell you this, right? The market come down, we don't care. The market go up, we don't care. Bear or bull, we gonna make money regardless. The way the game is it's in our favor. So get hype. Get hype. You better get involved. You better get involved. Let me tell you this, right? It's that simple. You keep it simple. Discipline. Discipline. If you say you're going to do something, you do it. That's with anything. That's with anything. Practice what you preach. Don't just say you're going to start investing and don't do anything. Because let me tell you what happens is, right, you get left out. You get left out because when the market is booming, you'll be left in the dust. You plant nothing, you get nothing. Straight up. Shout out to all investors and traders out there, man. That's why I try to tell all the investors and traders, hey, the only person that got every trade right was Bernie Madoff.
The only person that got every trade right was Bernie Madoff.
You better get along with the damn program. You learn from your wins, you learn from your losses. Be happy that it's in our favor. We gonna win regardless. There's nowhere else to go but up. You use this brain, you study, you get more knowledge. When you first get into something, you don't know nothing. Ain't nowhere else to go but up. Nowhere else to go but up. Now, if you've been doing this for years, you need to holler at me, baby. You need to holler at me, baby, because ain't nowhere in the hell, definitely last year, ain't nowhere in the hell you're losing. I don't want to hear nothing. The market is giving away free money. I ain't going to say it's free like you ain't got to pay taxes, but damn it, it's free enough. Get along with the program. Ghetto. Yo, hey, like, comment, and subscribe, people. Damn, lit the Ghetto man. And let's get, and could we just please let's just have fun. Let's just have fun. And get hype. And have fun. Ghetto.